Hopefully it doesn't come back and shatter my forehead.
Oh no, it's heavy enough they don't. Okay, I'm ready whenever you are.
Damn.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's got a little kick to it. Yeah.
Not bad, huh?
No. Not as bad as I thought, but...
Empty it out.
You ready?
Is it empty
No,
yet?
it's got the...
More?
Yeah. I can just see that thing coming back and...
Some bitch got a wallet.
Yeah, yeah.
You gotta try that. You can't run off yet.
I don't know, he's shaking it out still.
Yeah. That'll put a frog on your hand,
Yeah.
won't it? Yeah, you don't want to shoot that a lot.
No.
But you gotta shoot it once, Eric.
Yeah, I'll just shoot it one shot.
I don't know which way it's gonna rotate, so just help yourself.
Oh! Oh no!
I only put 2 bullets in it.
Oh, so I'm gonna have to go all the way through.
You might have to go around. You should be able to see where it's at. You can only have one more of those, and then it won't do that no more. Okay, now it's gonna fire.